Greetings from the NASDAQ side here in the heart of New York City, the Big Apple. Evan McDaniel and myself, Jeff Kilberg, at The Killer at Sell Puts. A lot to talk about, folks. We saw just a sensational equity grab yesterday due to the coordinated move of the ECB as well as the Federal Reserve. So we're seeing all this kind of come to fruition, but still there's a lot of moving parts over in Europe, and we've not decided. But we have seen some fluctuation in the oil market. Evan, take us into the oil market.
Yeah, we saw. Of course, we printed over 100 again this morning and yesterday, but still we're getting pushed down because the dollar keeps rising. So this 99 level today's got a lot of interest of buying. So we dip below, we come right back above. So this 100 level, 99 level, definitely psychological and technical. Okay. So
well, let's drill down for one second into that dollar level you just spoke to. You know, you remember, folks, a week ago he was spot on that 78.20 level in the dollar, where now all of a sudden we're back right at it.
Yeah. You know, we did see the intervention, but again, yesterday the dollar rose pretty much all day. Again, today it's keeping a clamp on the upside of the equities. So that could be definitely keeping the clamp on oil as well, because again, people are moving into the dollar because even though they put the Band-Aid on this issue, I still look at the dollar as a flight to safety. Right.
And I think there's a couple other barometers we're looking at right now. You know, we're looking at gold, and we talked about gold just jumped from 1,700 up to 1,750. And obviously the Treasury market. The Treasury market has provided leadership for us for quite some time, due all the way back to April when that 10-year was up at 3.75. So right now we did not see that mass exit. So therefore, being a Treasury futures trader myself, I still have, you know, a red flag up on my eyebrows raised, and I'm not convinced that everything's going to come, you know, as cleanly and sequential as they are talking about over in Europe. But no doubt about it, we're going to see gyrations until December 9th. Where do you think, you know, what other barometers are you looking at right now to see forward direction of the market?
I'm definitely looking at, again, the dollar, oil, but then again, you know, these psychological levels in equities. Like if they keep us above the 1,200 level, you know, I think that we could be looking at a trade into the end of the year upside.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Well, we had an opportunity to go out with Wes last night, and Wesley Haar. You know, I know you guys have a lot of things going on at Stock Monster. Can you give the viewers here something, a Stock Monster tip of the day, and what you guys are looking at?
Yeah, we're still looking at the VIX over the 30 level, and we still like energy like Baker Hughes long. I like Baker Hughes long over the 60 level. It's not quite there yet, but it's a good looking stock, and especially if we get further upside in the energy market, Baker Hughes is going to be along for the ride.
All right, folks, we heard it here. And one other thing from the NASDAQ site here in New York, be the hammer